Best crypto trading strategy to maximize profits in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mastery Ideas, your go-to channel for everything finance and crypto. Today I'm going to share the best crypto trading strategy to maximize your profits in 2025. If you're tired of losing trades or just looking for a solid strategy to stay ahead of the market, then stick around, because this could be a game changer for you. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's dive right in. 1. Understanding the 2025 crypto market. Before we jump into the strategy, let's first understand what's happening in the crypto market in 2025. The crypto space has evolved massively. AI-driven trading is dominating. Institutions are investing heavily, and volatility is still high, but guess what? That means more opportunities for traders like us. The key is to trade smart, not just hard. 2. The best crypto trading strategy for 2025. All right, let's get into the core of this video. The best crypto trading strategy you need in 2025. I call this the smart trend reversal strategy. It's a combination of trend analysis, momentum trading, and risk management to consistently profit in the crypto market. Here's how it works. Step 1. Identify market trends. Use the 200-day moving average, MA. If the price is above, it's bullish. Below, it's bearish. Check for higher highs and higher lows, bullish, or lower highs and lower lows, bearish. Step 2. Spot reversal signals. Use RSI, Relative Strength Index. If it's below 30, the asset is oversold. Buy signal. If above 70, it's overbought. Sell signal. Watch for divergence. If price is making new highs, but RSI isn't, a reversal might be coming. Step 3. Confirmation with volume. In candlestick patterns, volume spike, that confirms a strong move. Candlestick patterns, look for reversal patterns like doji, engulfing, or hammer candles. Step 4. Entry. Exit strategy. Enter only when at least 3 signals confirm the trade. Set a stop loss at the recent low high. To protect your capital, aim for a minimum 2.1 risk-reward ratio to stay profitable in the long run. 3. Risk management. Avoiding common mistakes now. Even with a great strategy, risk management is everything. To never risk more than 2 to 5% of your portfolio on a single trade. Use stop losses and take profits religiously. And most importantly, don't chase pumps. Buying when everyone is hyped is the fastest way to lose money. Stick to the strategy and stay disciplined. 4. Tools, resources for smarter trading. If you want to take your trading to the next level, here are some powerful tools I recommend. TradingView, best for charting and technical analysis. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko to track crypto prices and trends. Crypto Fear Greed Index helps understand market sentiment. AI trading bots like 3 Commas or Pionex for automated strategies. Using these tools can massively improve your decision-making and keep you ahead of the game. 5. Advanced techniques for expert traders. If you're an experienced trader, here are some advanced techniques to consider. Leverage trading, high risk, high reward. Use low leverage to manage risk. Fibonacci retracement identifies potential pullback levels in trending markets. Wyckoff method helps spot accumulation and distribution phases. Market cycles, understanding bull and bear market phases can enhance long-term profits. And that's it, guys! That's the best crypto trading strategy to maximize profits in 2025. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this video with your fellow traders, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite trading strategy? I'd love to hear from you. Also, make sure to subscribe. Money Mastery Ideas for more high-value crypto content. See you in the next video. Happy trading.